Part 1. A friendly face. Getting to know Zorin OS. Zorin OS is a type of computer software, like Windows, but it's designed to be super easy to use, especially for people switching over from Windows. It's simple to learn, but it still has all the cool stuff and flexibility of something called Linux. Zorin OS wants to make switching from Windows to Linux really easy. Lots of people don't want to switch because they're worried about learning something new. Zorin OS fixes that. It looks a lot like Windows, so it's easy to get used to. With Zorin OS, you can have a desktop that feels familiar, but you get all the good things about Linux. It's like a doorway to a whole bunch of free software that's safe and strong. Part 2. Making the switch easy. Why people who use Windows will like Zorin OS. Zorin OS is really great because it's so easy to use, perfect for anyone coming from Windows. It's designed to be simple, and it looks a lot like Windows. This means you won't have to learn a lot of new things, and you'll feel right at home as soon as you turn it on. One of the hardest things about using Linux for the first time is that it looks so different. Zorin OS fixes that by making things look and feel like Windows. The desktop, the bar at the bottom, and the menus all work in a similar way, so switching is easy. Zorin OS also comes with something called Wine, which lets you use many of your Windows programs right on Zorin OS. This means you can still use your favorite Windows stuff, like work programs, games, and other important tools. Zorin OS tries hard to make sure everything works. Part 3. A smooth move, what it looks and feels like. The way Zorin OS looks is made to be comfortable and easy to understand for people coming from Windows. The desktop will look familiar right away with a bar at the bottom, a system tray, and a start menu, just like Windows. So it's easy to find everything. Zorin OS has different ways you can make the desktop look, including one that looks almost exactly like old Windows. This makes finding your programs, working with files, and changing how the system looks super easy. You can change how the desktop looks to match what you like. Switching to Zorin OS is designed to be really simple. Zorin OS makes sure that even if you've never used Linux before, you can easily find your way around, open programs, and work with your files without having to learn a lot of complicated stuff. Part 4. Zorin OS in action, what it can do, how to install it, and how fast it is. Zorin OS comes with a bunch of programs already installed that help you get work done and have fun right away. It has something called LibreOffice, which is like Microsoft Office, so you can work on documents easily. Installing Zorin OS is really simple. The installer helps you through each step, making it easy even if you're new to Linux. You don't need a super fast computer to use Zorin OS, so it works well on lots of different computers, even older ones. Zorin OS is really fast. Programs open quickly and everything feels snappy even if your computer isn't brand new. Whether you're looking at websites, working on documents, or watching videos, Zorin OS is smooth and fun to use.